Welcome to Step 2, Explore Dashboard. The Zeropark dashboard is the first view you see when you log in. Here you can find a summary of all relevant details for the selected time range and traffic type. Pop or domain and push traffic have separate dashboards which can be switched between in the top left corner of the panel. So both traffic types have different metrics for performance monitoring. So here are going to be the following pop and domain metrics. You have raw, which is going to be all requests sent. Sellable, which are going to be requests that were not filtered out and disregarded. Sold, which is going to be the number of sold visits. Invalidated visits, which is going to be the number of visits that were not sold due to invalidation. Revenue, which is going to be the generated payout. And then your CPM, which is your average cost per 1,000 views. Then for your push metrics, you have raw, which are all requests sent, impressions, the number of notifications displayed, clicks, number of notification clicks, revenue, generated payouts, and then CPC, the average cost per click. The dashboard view. So the dashboard is divided into the following sections. First, at the top you have traffic, which shows your overall traffic and revenue statistics. In the middle you have your top countries, which shows your traffic performance by country. Towards the bottom you have browsers and operating system overview. So this shows your traffic performance by browser, desktop, and mobile operating system. And then at the very bottom, you have your tabular data, which shows more granular performance data per ad tag, keyword, device, target, and country. And then if you want to select a time range, you just need to click the time range drop-down menu and select one of the predefined options,